Okay, out of my full sticker haul, I had the Emotional Support Buddy stickers, I had the beach stickers or ocean theme, and then I had the national parks. I was super impressed. My overall favorite out of all the packs, I can't believe I'm saying this, but this little Hedgie, I don't know why, but this is like probably the tip top for me. It's just so stinking cute, and I love it has that little hologram. So I will tell you, out of these 3 packs, and thank you to the brand for sending these to me, this is pretty close to my best ever. I only had to remove 2 stickers. One of them said hydrate or dihydrate. I don't think that's appropriate. And the other one was a tongue sticking out. I don't think that's appropriate for kids at school either. So out of all these stickers, hundreds of stickers, I only had to remove 2. That passes in my book. So again, check these out. I think that they are definitely worthwhile buys.